see those pine cones? Little gold coins, ribbon. Look. That's how any nail decorator out there. What do you think? You started to feel what she was like. You want to do what I feel like that? I think hard.